into this 100 amp hour 51.2V 48 volt lithium server rack battery from Vatrer. Let's check out all the features. All right, family, so let's go ahead and talk about the storage that these batteries have. So you guys, this battery has high capacity energy storage. It delivers a robust 5.12 kilowatt capacity with 5,120 watt power output, which is equivalent to 4 12-volt 100 amp hour LiFePO4 batteries in series. Ideal for solar, RV, and even off-grid systems. And these batteries actually offer a long-lasting cycle life. So this Vatrer battery offers 5,000, no, actually over, do you guys hear me? Over 5,000 cycles at 100% depth discharge, significantly outlasting the lead acid batteries by 300 to 500 cycles. Do you hear me? Okay? Yes, Vatrer is the way to go.